Only Jet likes water food. Aren't you a little sweetie? You always get into stuff. You guys always get into stuff, dragging stuff everywhere. Little kittens. You got enough toys. You need more toys? Do you need more toys? Oh no, he likes that water food though. He's actually able to eat the water food a little bit better, I guess. Probably pretty tasty. Tastes enough like wet food to them, I guess. We cleaned the tray yesterday. How did you kick up so much food? Do you guys like paw at the food dishes or something?